Hello everyone, I'm excited to share a video of my latest semester project with you all. Over the past few months, I've been working on an innovative application called Jarvis, built using Python and OpenAI technologies. Please do watch the entire video. I hope you like it.
Good evening. I am Jarvis, sir, your personal AI assistant. Please tell me, how may I help you?
Jarvis, how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you for asking.
Please tell me, what is the time?
The time is 7:31 p.m.
Can you open YouTube?
Opening YouTube.
Open Google.
Opening Google.
Open Amazon.
Opening Amazon.
Open Wikipedia and search James Bond.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, James Bond is a fictional character created by British novelist Ian Fleming in 1953.
Jarvis, play music.
Playing music.
Jarvis, open entertainment.
What would you like to do for entertainment? You can choose from the following options. 1. Tell me a joke. 2. Play a game. 3. Recommend movies.
Tell me a joke.
What did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, they just waved.
Open entertainment.
What would you like to do for entertainment? You can choose from the following options. 1. Tell me a joke. 2. Play a game. 3. Recommend movies.
Play a game. Jarvis, add event.
What is the event title?
LinkedIn video.
When does the event start? Please provide date and time.
18th June 2024, 7 p.m.
When does the event end? Please provide date and time.
18th June 2024, 9 p.m.
Event added to your calendar.
Jarvis, view calendar.
Here are your calendar events. LinkedIn video, June 18th, 2024, 7 p.m. June 18th, 2024, 9 p.m.
Jarvis, delete event.
Here are your calendar events. 1. LinkedIn video, June 18th, 2024, 7 p.m. June 18th, 2024, 9 p.m. Please enter the number of the event you want to delete. Event deleted from your calendar.
Jarvis, view calendar.
Your calendar is empty.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, for the source code, please do check the link in the description box below. Okay, bye.